You're lying to yourself, and deep down, you know it's true. You said you'll wake up early, you didn't. You said you'll start studying, you didn't. You said, from tomorrow I'll change, but tomorrow never comes. Let me ask you something. How many promises have you broken to yourself? This hurts, not because others see it, but because you see it. You wake up, check your phone, scroll. Your brain already feels tired. You look at your goals, gym, study, business, skills, and your mind says, later. You make big plans at night. You feel motivated. You imagine a new life. Then morning comes, and suddenly you're the same person again. Same bed, same phone, same excuses. And the worst part? That quiet voice inside. See, you can't trust yourself. That voice is heavy because confidence is not built by motivation. Confidence is built by keeping promises. And every broken promise is like deleting a piece of your self-respect. There are 3 versions of you. One lying in bed, one angry at the mirror, one confident and glowing. That is not a drawing. That is your life. You are fighting yourself, not the world, not luck, not your situation. Your own word has become meaningless to your brain. Your brain doesn't trust you anymore. And when your brain doesn't trust you, it doesn't give you energy. It doesn't give you focus. It doesn't give you motivation. Because why would it? You always quit. Your brain works like a bank. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you deposit confidence. Every time you break it, you withdraw confidence. Right now, your account is empty. So your brain says, why try? We already know how this ends. That's why you feel tired before you start. Not because you're weak, but because your brain has proof. Let me tell you a story. There was a guy. Let's call him you. He wanted to change his life. He made a perfect plan. Wake up 5 a.m., work out, study 3 hours, no phone, no junk food, no wasting time. Day 1, he wakes up, feels tired, says, just today. Day 2, I'll start properly from Monday. Day 7, I need motivation first. Day 30, same life, same problems, same disappointment. But now, something is worse. He doesn't even believe himself anymore. When he says, I'll do it, his own brain laughs. The problem is not discipline. The problem is not laziness. The problem is you keep making promises that your identity cannot handle. You're trying to jump 10 stairs in 1 step, and when you fall, you blame yourself. That's like putting a small engine in a truck and calling it weak because it can't move a mountain. Change is a ladder, not a jump. If you try to jump to the top, you fall. And every fall teaches your brain, don't try again. So the brain starts protecting you with procrastination. Here is the rule that changes everything. Only make promises that are too small to fail. Not, I'll study 3 hours, but I'll open the book for 2 minutes. Not, I'll go gym every day, but I'll wear my shoes. Your brain does not care about big dreams. It cares about proof. Small wins equal trust. Trust equal energy. Energy equal momentum. Momentum equal new identity. Right now, your identity is, I'm the guy who quits. We must change it to, I'm the guy who does what he says. Not by big actions, but by kept promises. Even tiny ones, especially tiny ones. Tell yourself, I will do this for just 5 minutes. That's it. Your brain doesn't panic. No resistance. Most of the time, you'll continue. But even if you stop, you still won because you kept your word. Every kept promise says, I am reliable. Your brain starts to trust you again. Motivation comes after action, not before. Every kept promise equals 1 coin. Every broken promise equals 1 coin lost. Right now, your wallet is empty. We rebuild it slowly, daily. Do this. Write 3 tiny promises for tomorrow. So small they feel stupid. Complete them no matter what. Stop for the day. Not more, not less. Consistency beats intensity. One important rule. Never lie to yourself again. If you can't do it, say, I won't. Honesty builds more power than fake motivation. Imagine this, 30 days. Every day, small promises kept. Now your brain says, this person is serious. You stand different. You walk different. You trust yourself again. And when you trust yourself, the world starts to change. You don't hate work. You hate disappointing yourself. Stop trying to become a hero. Become reliable. Heroes are built from reliable people. Listen, your life does not change when you feel motivated. Your life changes when you keep your word. You don't need a new life. You need a new relationship with yourself. Start small. Start today. Start with one promise and keep it. If this video hit you, if you're tired of starting over, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this with someone who is still fighting himself in silence. Remember, you are not broken. You just need to trust yourself again. And that starts with one kept promise.